To skip trace a property using a Deal Machine account, the process is relatively straightforward. The primary reason for doing so is to obtain the contact information for the property, which is essential for businesses involved in wholesaling or driving for dollars. This can be achieved directly within the Deal Machine account, eliminating the need for additional fees or external systems. To begin, start by typing the address of the property to be skip traced into the system. Once the address is entered, the system will display a map and general information about the property. Zoom in on the house. Click on it, and then click on the arrow next to the property information. The system will then display the contact information for the property, including the owner's name, phone number, and potential email addresses. While the accuracy of this information may vary, it provides a useful means of skip tracing a property. The system will also indicate if a phone number is on a do not call list, helping to avoid unnecessary and potentially problematic calls. Additionally, the system may provide contact information for other individuals associated with the property, which can be helpful in identifying the owner or other relevant contacts. Overall, skip tracing a property using a Deal Machine account is a convenient and efficient process that can help streamline business operations and improve contact with property owners.